Hello, Mario! Subdivision Design 48, Design Surface 8. In this video, I'm going to just take a look at what we've got after we've been through and checked out all those road situations that we had earlier. So I've been through and quite happy that I've now got most of the material falling towards the road, or certainly not ponding at a point behind the road. So let's just have a look here. So I've been through each of these in the previous videos and I'm quite happy with those. What I want to do now is to take a look at the curb returns, and I'm not particularly worried about them, so I'm going to first of all just look at this curb return here. And what we can see there is, if we put the exaggeration up to 20 times, we have got a little bit of a ponding area in here, but I'm quite happy that because this is coming back through here in that direction, but I know that I've got it pretty much sorted in this direction here. So I'm just going to sort of leave it like that. I think it'll in the end of the day, it's okay here, and it's sort of okay here. So I could even really what I could do is just run those without just leave them hanging, but I've got it there like that, so we can maybe just drop it down to there, and then that'll get sorted out with the in the course of time. If we move through these, we can see that once we get through to about here, this one here, we're all good again. So I don't think there's too much material involved. It's, in my opinion, it's just something that can be tidied up with the with a digger on the site at the time. It's over a very small localized area, so I don't think it's worth any significant input at this time. Looking at this one here, there's a similar sort of situation here as well, just same sort of thing. So we've got some cut and all good in this area, and then as we come through we can see a little bit of fill, but it's all good here. So just a very small localized area, just a matter of just blending it all in. Possibly rather than dropping it down there for those curb returns, what I could do is just have no cut and fill for those, which might give it a pretty good solution. So I'm sort of thinking I might actually, I have had a look at this previously, and that's a concept that had it come to me. It's a possibility. I'm just going to look at this one here now, down through here, and I don't think we're going to have too much problem here either. As we move through the one there, then we end up pretty much like so when we're up through here, so that's not going to be a problem. And similarly with this one here, so I'm just going to go to there and to there, accept, and let's just have a look at that one. So yes, that's pretty good, except at the top there where they're not too bad. I'm wondering if I just leave them at the boundaries and then let it, when I move forward to create my design surface, it'll all fit in fine. Up here we've got no problem at all. So yes, I'm coming to that conclusion. Or I can just leave it. So yep, okay, let's do that. So I'm going to come around down to here. I could perhaps just do that with a let's see, design MTF edit, curve return 1, and we could do a modifier on the left side because we only do modifier, and we could do a final on the walk that out, and we could have no cut fill slope. Let's see how that goes. And the link name I think will still be CF. Okay, and all right, and then we don't want any extra start or extra end, and we want it to be active, so let's apply. Oops. Apply recalc like that there, and then I'm going to go OK, and just going to just drop these down here out of the way like so and like so, and then I'm just going to have a look here and accept, and you can see what's happening there. I have left it in mid-air like that, but when I'm going to come back and do a design surface, so the design surface will just hold those values in there and then meld in or blend in with the other values that are in and around here. So it'll keep it high and should keep it pretty right. So yeah, that's I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think that's going to cause any problems. So I'm going to just to try that. So in here like so. So we'll use these strings within this area in and around there. Use that string as the guideline. So what will happen in here is it'll just fit in from here through to this string and these other strings in there. So yes, I'm going to do that. So at this stage, I'm just going to pause this video here for a moment, which I think I can or can't do. No, I don't think I can actually pause it. So okay, I'll quickly go through and do these ones here. So and then we'll have a look at each one as we go through. It shouldn't take too long. So so let's go. All right. So that's all okay there. And this one here, save and finish. Save. Yep. And then, all right. So now we're going to go design, MTF, edit, create 2. All right. Modifiers, left side, and type is going to be final. No cut fill slope. Okay, so that's going to go like that. The link name's going to be CF. Start ref blah 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 blah. Okay, apply there. Apply there. And recalc here, and that should do that with that cube return there. So it just keeps it true at the boundary and then lets it meld into whatever it's going to be. Let's just quickly let's just okay that, let's okay that, and let's save and finish that. Save. Yep, and let's have a quick look at that in here. So it's going to be pretty much the same, except, and yes, we'll see what's happening there. So that's all pretty good. Okay, alrighty. So I think that's probably enough there. I'm going to go through and do the similar thing here. So I think I'll just stop the video. So I'm just going to do a similar thing here, and then I'm just going to let those fall as they are in between these sort of values here, and we'll see you on the other side when we're doing that particular video. So yeah, we'll just save a copy of this. Alrighty, cheers, see you.